For your deformation function, you are really just solving this system of equations. So there's only 5 equations that you see here, but in reality, it's 101 equations. So here's equation 1, here's equation 2, here's equation 3 through 99, equation 100, and 101. So there's actually 101 equations, and that's because m is equal to 101 for this project. So it says that up here. For this project, we will use m equal to 101. So in reality, this is 101 equations. So this is your first equation, second equation, second to last, and last. Those ones don't really, those ones are the easy ones. This one, essentially plug in m of 3 to 199. So your first one is z1 equals 0. Your second one is negative 3z1 plus 4 z2 minus z3 equals 0. Your third one is going to be z3 minus 2, 1 minus 4 z2 plus 6z3 minus 4z4 plus z5 equals this constant, whatever this calculation is. Keep in mind, all of these values are inputs. So g is an input to your function, mu is an input to your function, e is an input to your function, I and dx and f. So this is dx. These are all inputs to your function. Keep in mind it's f of m. So this here is a vector. So f of m would be f of 3. And then your fourth equation is going to be z2 minus 4z3 plus 6z4 minus 4z5 plus z6 equals that constant where an I of f of 4. And then etc. all the way down to z99, all the way down to m equals 99, to your last 2 equations, which are listed here. So you don't need to write out all the equations, that's a lot, but you should recognize a pattern that shows up. So write out a couple more and recognize that pattern. Once you have your system of equations, you can go ahead and construct x with all of your coefficients on your unknowns, construct b with all of your constants on your right-hand side, and then you can solve az equals b for z. So z equals a left divide b, like normal. That is all your function is supposed to do. Keep in mind, you're going to have to use loops in order to construct a efficiently, and to potentially construct b efficiently, although you might be able to do it without a loop. But go ahead and do that. So you construct A, you construct B, figure out your patterns on how everything changes, and then solve for Z. That's all your function's supposed to do.